out of your experience today, we encourage you to explore the multiple application widgets you have available on your desktop. This includes access to practice exam questions, certification resources, and you'll have the opportunity to engage with us in live chat for all your certification questions. Here's some information about what you can expect next. During this exam preparation session, our subject matter experts will share certification guidance, present the certification description, provide details on topic expansion, and review practice exam questions to support you in becoming Dell Technologies Proven Professional Certified. We're here to help you as you prepare like a pro.
Hello, and a warm welcome to each and every one of you as you join me for your exam preparation session in PowerFlex Design.
Successfully complete your proctored exam.
I'm Carrie Heenan, and it's my pleasure to present
now
to
that
you
you've scheduled your exam
certification guidance that'll equip you with all the essential information as you get ready for your exam. As a leader of the team responsible for developing content on our Converge
now that you've scheduled your exam and you're ready to take the test, let's examine what happens on the actual exam day
and the benefits it brings.
Most of Dell Technologies Proven Professional exams are known to successfully complete your proctored exam.
Validated your expertise and proficiency
now that you've scheduled your exam and you're ready to take the test,
also opens the opportunity for advancement in your career. Earning a certification makes you a standout candidate, and this increases your value. So my goal today is to get you that competitive edge as you prepare to take your exam. Let's start by taking a closer look at the certification description. The PowerFlex Design 2023 exam is crafted to evaluate your proficiency in constructing robust PowerFlex solutions. It covers a wide array of essential aspects, including solution architecture, deployment strategies, and a deep understanding of both hardware and software components. During the exam, you'll encounter references to various PowerFlex products, with a predominant emphasis on the PowerFlex 4.x appliance and rack. The breadth of topics covered in the exam contributes to a holistic understanding of PowerFlex design principles, so that as a certified professional, you're equipped to tackle real-world challenges effectively. Certification, however, goes one step further than passing an exam. It means you've mastered a profound comprehension of the technology. Engaging in the preparation process allows you to delve into the intricacies of the PowerFlex technology, enhancing your proficiency in implementing efficient PowerFlex solutions. When you pursue certification, it fosters both personal and professional growth. It really serves as a catalyst for expanding your knowledge base, improving your problem-solving skills, and ultimately transforming you into a more versatile and skilled IT professional. Embrace the opportunity in this session to excel in the exam and to master designing PowerFlex solutions. Now, let's take a look at the training that aligns to the certification. There are 3 courses that make up the curricula for this certification. First, we have the PowerFlex 4.x Concepts course, which is targeted to take about 60 minutes to complete. This course serves as an introduction to PowerFlex, explaining its features as well as how it differs from traditional SAN architectures. Next, you're presented with the various configurations PowerFlex is offered in, namely rack, appliance, ready node, and software only. Once you have a grasp of those concepts, the hardware deployment options are explored, providing both the differences and advantages of each platform. Then we turn to the deployment options and again review the differences and advantages of each deployment architecture. This includes discussing how data is transported in a production PowerFlex environment. And then finally, we look at the different options available to administer a PowerFlex, from the PowerFlex Manager UI to REST and CLI options. For administration, there are simulations to help you familiarize yourself with the interfaces. Next up is the PowerFlex 4.0 administration course. This is the most extensive course out of the 3 that underlie the certification. This course includes extensive use of simulations and video learning delivered as an engaging experience. On average, it takes around 5 to 6 hours to complete the course. During the training, you'll learn about managing a PowerFlex system, covering tasks that pick up right after a PowerFlex is deployed, through the storage provisioning process, right down to administrative tasks such as working with MDMs, SDSs, SDCs, alerts, and even some performance tuning adjustments. Overall, the training offers a complete system administration omnibus that gives you the foundation on which sizing and design can be built. Finally, as a capstone to the series is the PowerFlex 4.x Appliance and Rack Design course. This course typically takes about an hour or two to complete and covers the basic principles on designing an effective PowerFlex 4.x solution that meets the customer needs. It begins with the gathering and research of customer requirements and learning what questions work best to facilitate the initial conversation with the customer. The course provides insights into the basic PowerFlex architecture and components and how these components, also known as nodes, fundamentally work together to provide a software-defined storage solution in a hyper-converged infrastructure. The course also provides an overview of the types of networking available for a PowerFlex node cluster, such as the fully automated network used in a PowerFlex rack and appliance platform, or the partial network automation for the PowerFlex appliance. You'll learn about the network for PowerFlex, which can be designed as an access aggregation or spine leaf topology. Next, the solution architect is presented with information on how and why to use the PowerFlex Sizer tool to select the right node configuration. Node configuration can lean towards higher performance, more storage capacity, or a balance of both. Once the node configuration is settled, you'll learn how to capture the design parameters in the Enterprise Project Services, or EPS tool. The work done in the EPS design capture is iterative and shared with the customer to ensure the design can be converted into a final PowerFlex deployment. To help you achieve the best possible outcomes from these courses, it's suggested that you have existing knowledge of Ethernet and TCP/IP networking, basic operating system management, storage area network concepts, storage networking infrastructures, monitoring and reporting, and virtualized data center concepts. Let's break down the topics likely to be covered on the Dell PowerFlex Design 2023 exam. First up, we have the PowerFlex Foundations, comprising 15% of the exam. Here you'll need to describe the PowerFlex products and deployment models, as well as understand PowerFlex architecture and software interfaces. Next, we have the PowerFlex Solution Design, which makes up 13% of the exam. This section involves aligning a PowerFlex solution to specific requirements, as well as capturing and validating designs with customers. Then we have PowerFlex Objects Configuration, constituting 20% of the exam. Here, you'll dive into configuring protection domains and fault sets, storage pools, storage data servers, and metadata managers. Next, we have PowerFlex Nodes and Volumes configuration, making up a significant 38% of the exam. This section entails configuring PowerFlex nodes, working with volumes, including creation, replication, and protection, and creating, configuring, and protecting NAS file systems. Finally, we have PowerFlex Solution Integration and Troubleshooting, comprising 15% of the exam. This involves integrating for security, performing backup and restore operations on a cluster, and troubleshooting cluster issues. With this roadmap, you can focus your preparation effectively. Let's take a deeper look at the topics and expand on the focus for each. The PowerFlex Foundation section of the exam provides you with the questions designed to verify working knowledge and application of the PowerFlex products and deployment models. The PowerFlex products are Rack, Appliance, and Ready Node. Each of these products satisfies a specific set of criteria outlined in a customer needs analysis. Applicable to the products is the type of deployment models that are designed as the best implementation of the PowerFlex product. Deployment models are storage-only and compute-only node cluster implementations in either a two-layer or hyper-converged infrastructure. In this exam topic, you're also asked questions that verify a complete comprehension of the basic PowerFlex architecture, components, nodes, and software interfaces. This includes whether the solution design requires networking provided by the customer or by Dell Technologies. Also,